Alright, pinipilit ko pong ikutin buo pero parang imposible dahil napakarami pang pwedeng puntahan dito sa National Science Museum here in Pathum Thani Province in Thailand. Kaya ang huli na lang po ipapakita ko sa inyo is the facade of the National Science Museum. Kung mapapansin nyo, merong mga libreng sakay. Libreng sakay. So if you want to go around the museum, ayan, yung mga libreng sakay nila, libreng sakay. Okay, UNTV ba? Ah, hindi. Okay, so I'll show you the facade of the National Science Museum. Facade na facade pa lang. Actually, that's not the facade. That's the facade. Gilid eh. Facade. Dito tayo sa facade. Alright, so this is the facade of the National Science Museum here in Pathum Thani Province.
Tatasad-tasad ka to eh.
Kanina nasa gilid eh.
Taside.
Paside. Ngayon, facade na harap na eh. Alright, that's it. Thank you very much for joining me. Hello! Kita niyo ba yung mga bata? They love puppets. In fact, the curator said they will add puppetry in the exhibit. That's good news for all the puppeteers in the world.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Ang problema ko lang, Rango, pag nagdagdag ng puppet exhibit dito, baka maiwan ka na dito.
I don't mind.
Nox, you don't mind. Okay, hanggang dyan na lang po. Bye!